Hello, everyone. My name is Gabriela Cabrera, and I will be discussing technology that is used for recycling. On this slide, I provided the definition of recycling because I feel it is important. Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turned into new products. Recycling can also be beneficial for communities and the environment. On this slide, I provided a couple of recycling pictures. You see here, this is a bin of paper, glass, plastic, and metal. That's where you're dividing all the different recycling items into these different bins. And on this picture, it says reuse, recycle, reduce. That's the saying goes. You recycle, you reduce what you use, and you reuse it. And it's a cycle. This next slide shows technology that is used for recycling. People sort through their glass, paper, and cardboard items and put them in the recycling bin. Just like I showed you in the previous slide. And there are 3 steps to technology in recycling. This is a picture of the machines that are used for recycling and sorting out different recycling items. 3 steps of technology. Step 1, materials enter the MRF, which is the Materials Recovery Facility. Materials go into MRFs and pass through a vast array of efficient sorting. It reduces the chances of contaminants making it through. Step 2, there's smart sorting that saves time and energy. Advanced optical sorters and digital technology quickly identifies and sorts items. Also, it minimizes the labor and time necessary to remove contaminated materials. And lastly, step 3, recycled materials find new homes. Manufacturers produce clean feedstock to make new products and packaging that we use in our everyday lives. My apologies. Here I'm discussing the problem with recycling technology today. The process of recycling an old product can use energy and may create pollution. Also, people purchasing reusable goods that we don't need. These are positive effects of technology and recycling. These are pros: environmental benefit, which is reducing the waste that goes to polluting landfills and incinerators. Recycling creates jobs. It's a source of good middle-class jobs for people. Lastly, it raises overall environmental, which is gateway to other forms of environmental activism. And these are negative effects of the technology in recycling. These are cons: takes energy. Recycling takes energy, as does manufacturing products from recycled materials. Secondly, it can lead to pollution. During sorting process of metals and other chemicals that may go into the land and water where the recycling is taking place. It also takes a toll on the environment and its inhabitants. And lastly, it's very costly. Some towns and cities cannot afford to operate recycling programs, unfortunately, and materials cost more to recycle than others. And lastly, my conclusion, in my opinion, people should recycle to make the environment a better place. And this is just the earth, and it's showing the cycle: reduce, reuse, and recycle. And these are my references. Thank you.